Okay guys, today I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to do affiliate marketing, and you can successfully apply this method on Digistore24 affiliate marketing, ClickBank affiliate marketing, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Share a Sale, or any other affiliate network. And I'm going to show you how you can use other people's content so you don't have to create your own content, and also how you can make that content go viral, and in that way get as much as you can free traffic and finally start making money with affiliate marketing. So with that being said, let's start. Okay, so first thing we need to do, we need to find valuable articles that provide value. So let's just say that I'm in weight loss niche, because weight loss will always be a hot topic, will always be a hot niche where you can make sales. So what I need to do here on Google, I need to simply search weight loss and press enter. And then what you can do is you can click here on news, because news always write about hot and trending topics in specific niche, in this case in weight loss niche. And here you can see all the hot topics and trending topics in weight loss niche. Now, if you don't want to use any of these articles, you can simply go back here and then click here on all, and you can use one of these articles. So for example, let's just say I wish to use one of these articles. Okay, let's just say this one here. I will simply click here to check out this article. Now, it is really important that that article actually provide value, that article is readable, that people actually wish to read this article. So I need to check it out. Okay, this actually looks like a good article. So next thing I need to do, let's just click here on dismiss. Next thing I need to do, I need to find products to promote. Now for that you can use Digistore24. Like I said, you can successfully apply this on Digistore24 affiliate marketing. And then what you need to do, you need to simply click here on fitness and health, and here you can find weight loss related products. Or if you don't want to use Digistore24, you can simply go here on ClickBank, and then again you can click here on health and fitness. And then what I like to do, I actually like to click here and sort this gravity high to low. And here you can find lots of good and quality products, weight loss related products. Also, what you can do is you can go on second and third page here and find products on those pages as well. So for example, let's just say I wish to promote this product here, XZ Pure. Here you can see I can make $150 per sale on average. So what I need to do, I actually need to click here to open their affiliate tools page. And here you can see all the tools that they are actually offering us in order to promote their product, so we and them can make as much money as possible. Okay, so next thing we need to do, we need to go on website called Rightly. And what you need to do, you need to click here on sign in, and you need to create a free account. Now here you can see they say start a free trial. On a free trial you will get all the functions. Now after that free trial is actually gone, you will stay with only one basic function, free forever. Okay, so after you do that, you will come to your dashboard, and this is how your dashboard will look. Now this is most important part of the video, so please pay close attention. What we need to do, we need to click here on create new ad, and here we need to give it this ad a name. Now this is visible only to us, so here I will just say, for example, CB for ClickBank. Okay, here domain, because I'm using free option, I can only choose one of these two domains. If you're using paid version, then you can add your own custom domain. So I will just stick with this one. Okay, and then click here on add. And now we need to make our ad. Here we can see ad name. This is our ad name. Here we can choose our ad. Choose text ad. I usually choose text ad, and here you can choose where your ad will show up. I usually choose bottom left. That gave me best results, but you can test these other things. Okay, here you can see show after. This is actually a delay, and I usually choose between 10 and 15 seconds because that gave me best results. Before that, people see, okay, this is an ad, and they go out. After that, it takes too much time to load an ad. So 10 to 15 seconds is by far best option in my opinion. Okay, here we can see custom, just leave it custom. Profile name, here you can see profile name. Now we need to go back on their affiliate tools page, and we need to, okay, look at this. Ugly plant, dissolve butt and fat arm. Now this is actually a good name, so I will go back here and I will paste that here. Give it a second, and here you can see this is the name. Okay, here you can see profile URL. I will delete that, and in a minute you will see why. Profile picture. Now we need to find a profile picture. Now for that we can see here ugly plant. So what I can do is I can simply go back here, and actually I will open a new tab, and here I will go on Google, and here I will search something like bizarre fruit. Okay, bizarre fruit, press enter, and then I will go here on images, and I will try to find the most bizarre fruit I can find. And usually bright colors works the best. So, okay, this looks interesting. So I will click here, and let me just choose one of these. Okay, this is not the best. Okay, let's just say I will use this image. All I have to do is just click here, right click here, save image as, click here on save, and I will go back on rightly, and I will click here on upload, and let me just find that image. This is the image, okay? And here you can see this is how this image look. Description. Now I need to add a description, so I will again go back on their affiliate tools page, and okay, I will use this here. Okay, this is a good question. I am creating curiosity. That is really important. So here for the description, I will actually add this text. I will simply delete this, and here you can see this is my description. Here you can see short to play, leave it as it is, no sound, a button text, my latest tweet. Now this is not a tweet, so I can simply say, something like this. So click here to find out more. Here you can see, click here to find out more. Button link. Now this is really important. Now we need to add our ClickBank affiliate link. So I will go back here, and I'm going to click here to promote, and I'm going to create hook link. And this is my ClickBank affiliate link. Like I said, you can successfully apply this on Digistore24 affiliate marketing as well. So I will go back here, and here, button link. I will add my ClickBank affiliate link. Also, here you can see profile URL. Again, I will paste my ClickBank affiliate link. Logo link. Now here you can leave this as it is. Here you can see powered by, and you can leave this as it is. You don't have to do anything else. And all you have to do now is just click here on done. And that's it. We created our pop-up. Okay? But you're probably wondering right now, well, why did we open this article here, right? Why we are going to need this article? We didn't add that link anywhere. So what we need to do now, we need to copy this link, okay? Control C, go back on rightly, and then here where it says enter destination URL, I need to paste that here, and here you can see they added my ad name, ad campaign name. And what I need to do, I need to click here on create link with the ad, okay? And they're creating this link, and this is the link. And this is our link here that we need to promote, because this is the link that contains our affiliate link. So what you can do is you can simply click here, copy link. And then what you can do is you can simply go here on Twitter and you can make a tweet, for example. You can also go on Facebook, you can go on Pinterest, TikTok, Tumblr, or wherever you want. And I need to share that link here, okay? And again, I can go on their affiliate tools page, and I can simply copy this, okay? For this example, Control C, and I will go back here on Twitter, and I'm going to add that here, okay? And all you have to do is just click here on tweet, and that's it. You will make this tweet. Next thing you can do is you can simply go here on Add Me Fast, and you can log in on Add Me Fast. So let me just log in on Add Me Fast. And you can, here on the left side, you can see all the ways that you can use to earn free credits. After you earn, as you can see here, I have 107 points. After you earn at least 1,000 points, 1,000 credits, what you can do is you can click here on Add Site Link. And here you need to choose Twitter, so let me just find Twitter. Okay, Twitter retweets. You need to choose Twitter retweets. Here you can choose worldwide, or you can choose a specific country. Just choose here, let's just say, for example, United. And here you can see United States, okay? You can choose different countries, or you can choose worldwide. Just click here on worldwide, and it will choose worldwide. Here you need to add a Twitter ID, not Twitter link, Twitter ID. So let me just go back here, and let's just say, for example, this here. And this number here, okay, Control C to copy this, that is your Twitter tweet ID. And you need to paste that number here. Here you total clicks, leave it empty. Daily clicks, leave it empty. Here you need to say how many credits, how many points you wish to give to every person who actually retweets your tweet. So let's just say, for example, 10. You can give it 20, 30, 50, 100 points. And all you have to do after that is just click here on Save Changes, and you will start getting retweets. People will start retweeting your tweet and you will start getting free traffic. And because we provide value, because this article provides value and also contains pop-up that contains our affiliate link, will show here in bottom left, and many people will actually click on that link, that affiliate link, because we also created a curiosity. We said, which ugly plant dissolved this thick arm fat, right? People wish to find out that. And they will click on that link and they will start reading this article that provides value, okay? That provides value, and they will also click on our pop-up, and some of those people will buy that product, and we can make, as we saw here, up to $150 per sale on average. So you can make good money. As you can see, this is a simple, easy method that you can use to finally start making money with affiliate marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.